Namaste. So today we're going to be making a Shilajit energy boosting shot. So Shilajit comes from the Himalayas and it's made from medicinal plants that have been under the earth for millions of years, and it's a very concentrated form that has like over 100 minerals and nutrients. It's one of the healthiest things in the world that you can take, so we take it regularly. And when I went to India, I found some amazing authentic Shilajit in the Himalayan mountains, and I brought it with me. So if any of you want, just let us know. We will be shipping. Otherwise, you can also find maybe somewhere near you, but it's not that much available. So you only need a very little bit. So I made some homemade almond milk. You can use any kind of plant milk, nut milk from the store. And you only need a little bit, so I used a knife and just get a little point like this. So you just get a little bit like that. It's like half size of half a pea or something like that. Okay, so just put that in and stir it well. Just like this. And then you can add some sweetener, or you can warm it up a little bit. But that's it. It's very easy. And yeah, you can take it every day like that if you want. You can also have a little break sometimes, not take it. But it works fine to take it every day. I use it. And you feel it in your body. You feel the energy flowing through your body. So definitely recommend, if you've never tried it, check it out, see how it works with you. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.